I mean, here to do any catwalk. AC on कर दीजिए, इतनी गर्मी हो रही है. AC से याद आया, the AC market these days is full of AC brands, and once you go out there to buy an air conditioner, one tends to get confused, कौन सा ले, कौन सा नहीं ले, and it becomes very, very challenging to select the perfect one. So here are some important tips that you need to know and save if you're going to buy an air conditioner for yourself. So first thing first, set your budget to buy an air conditioner, and once you decide upon it, then explore all options in that price segment, and post that. Decide your payment options and what best discount or EMI you would get in on the set of mode of payment. Online versus offline. Always check the prices online and offline. There are times when you get brilliant deals online that you won't get offline, or vice versa. So if you have researched enough, it will be easier for you to zero down on your choice, and that too at a lowest possible price. Next up, the room size. So let me tell you this, 1 ton AC for a big room is not effective enough to keep the room cold, and 2 ton AC for a small room will make it very cold. So this simply means you need to know the size of the room that you're buying an AC for. Generally, like you can see, we're showing you 100 to 120 square feet room, well, 1.5 to 2 ton AC suffice enough. More than 120 square feet room, well, that means that it needs more of it. Talking about the floor of your home, so for an apartment, which floor are you living on also matters. As higher you go, hotter it gets. For instance, topmost floor is the hottest. So higher floors, you would need more powerful and bigger AC. Split AC or a window AC. Well, so let me clear one thing, that there isn't much difference in window and split ACs. It's just that what's your need and what's your choice. You gotta see that. So like you can see, just that window ACs are slightly cheaper than the split ACs, and window ACs are for windows only, but split usually can be fixed anywhere. Window ACs save more power and are more noisy than the split ones, and the split ACs cool faster than the window ACs as they push out more volume of air with no noise at all. So as per capacity and budget, you can make a choice. Well, AC coil. This is the most important factor to know when you go out to buy an air conditioner. So the copper coil is easier to maintain as well as repair, cools faster and has a longer life than aluminum coil. The copper ACs are supposed to be the best ones with the coil that they have. Look at the stars. Yes, the ACs that have low power savings ratings are mostly cheaper than the other options. They'll end up costing you more in a longer run, as they would consume more power and increase your electricity bill. Though ACs that have higher power star rating do cost more at one time, but in the long run, they save up a lot on your money as they consume less electricity. So do always notice the stars mentioned on the AC panel when you go and buy the ACs. That's very important. After sale service. Yes, so bought an AC, well then you are at least settled for at least 6-7 years. But then you have to get it serviced every second month at least, and occasionally get the repairs done if something goes wrong. And this all becomes much easier if you have a good after-sale service of the air conditioner brand that you've bought. So do check on all the pointer on sales services of the brand of which you're buying an AC. Last but not the least, the useful features. Wi-Fi connectivity, AI features, energy manager, these kind of extra features in an AC are included these days, which might get the cost of the AC a bit more, but they're at times useful. So quite many of you out there, maybe these features are going to be helpful for you. So they're included for an extra comfort usage, so they aren't just gimmicky. Yes, so do check them out in the model that you're buying, and if they are good for you, yes, you probably should go ahead buying the ACs that have useful features. And when it's for the comfort, why not? And I gave you quite helpful tips, so next time when you go and buy the air conditioner and you bought one at your home, do thank me. यहाँ तो बहुत गर्मी है, certainly यहाँ के लिए एक नया AC खरीदना पड़ेगा मुझे.